Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a tungsten metallic 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 extended cab LT, stock number A7029. You have heavy duty tow hooks and factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. You have a black painted alloy rim that is wrapped in a 20-inch Terrain Pro tire. You have black tubular assist steps. Inside, there's a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 3 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here, and we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps here on the back bumper. You've also got a trailer hitch. There is a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, you have a drop-in bed liner. That's in great shape. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. You do have a cat skin leather upholstery. To the left of the steering wheel, there is a 4x4 turn dial control. And then coming over to the interior, on the left side of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Got this great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player and AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating. You do have a traction control here. And then looking at the rear view mirror, you can see that this is equipped with OnStar. You've got a 6-speed automatic transmission. That engine is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.